To create an eternity band, we go into speed builds, click on eternity band. On the right hand side, you will see all the details associated with it. Start with the internal ID, the gem size that you expect, and the setting type that you need. If I choose plate round and simple round, for the given setting parameters, the output will be generated. You will see that the total carat weight right now is showing at 1.6 carats with 25 gems. I cannot definitely reduce the gems because depending on the QLED to ID, gem has been set and accordingly 25 gems have been calculated. I can, however, increase the gem count if I need. Let's first try by reducing the gem size. You'll observe there is no change in caratage. This is because in our design setup, if we proceed to check our gem charts, I find that there is no 2.45 in the gem chart and hence the diamond weight has not reduced. However, if I reduce it further, I can see that the gem carat has changed to 1.43. If my target is 1.5, I can definitely plan on increasing a gem to check. Yes, it works. However, I may want to reduce the amount of metal out here, which is why I can opt to go and check the gallery on. This gives me the plate prong of 1.5 carats. I can say bake setting, and with this you get to see total number of gems with the total caratage. If I want to calculate the metal associated with it, I'm going to hide the gems, select everything, let's group it, saying select objects, calculate volume. Let it calculate by using the shrink wrap technology, which is why even if there are some inserts, you will still get an accurate weight. Depending on the metal density that you have in your design setup, you can choose your metal and the calculations will happen. When you say confirm, you get the total weight in CAD/CAM. And depending on what you have fed in your percentage loss for production, your final weight expected will also be calculated. So in TiaraCAD itself, you get to see what is your expected final weight of the design and the total gems at one go. If I were to go into reports, I have not created a gem map yet, so let's do that as well. I'm just going to change this to shading and I'm opting for gem map. So in Gem Studio, gem map, I can choose whether it is a ring or a flat size. Now I know this is a ring, so you can see how it is going to be expanded. If I need, I can spread it out further. There it is. And let's say save map. The gem map has been saved successfully. Going on to reports, all I have to now do is save as PDF. Let's put it on the desktop as, let's save it as designer report. You can also export this to CSV. So I'm saying gem report. And let's see how the output looks like. So I'm closing this. I'm opting to open the designer report. You can see the name of the company, the operator, the file name which I hadn't saved, the date of the report, the diamond details, the metal details, and the gem map. Likewise, if I open up the gem report, you will get to see the details of the gem, and you can use this to be sent across to your ERP as well. You can opt for a simple ray traced rendering with a good quality to give out a quick rendered output for your client.